Good morning, class. Today we will be going over classroom guidelines and the behavior expectations we have for everyone while we are in the classroom. A quick phrase that we like to remember is learning is for everyone. This is Miss Fredericks and Mr. Sanchez's classroom. Some classroom guidelines include number 1, which is you must complete the DOL for the day. This is a writing formative activity that we like to collect every single week. Number 2, you must participate in the whole group math lesson, regardless if Miss Frederick or Mr. Sanchez is teaching it. Number 3, students will work for an entire 15-minute block and then they will earn a 12-minute free time break. Number 4, students will spend 2 of those work blocks on either science, geography, or reading. Number 5, students will spend 1 of those work blocks on either math or English. Last but not least, number 6, to earn the last section of their free time, which is from 11:55 till 12:25, students must have a 75% or higher on their point sheet. The point sheet includes some behavior expectations or some academic expectations that we have for students during the whole entire lesson or the day. If the students have a 75% or higher on the point sheet, then they will be rewarded their break. Let's switch over to classroom behavior expectations. Number 1, I will do anything that does not cause a problem for anyone else. This means staying in our seats, not disrupting students while they are talking, or not disrupting students while they are doing their work independently and quietly. Number 2, I will come to class ready to learn. This means that students will come prepared to class as well. It means that they will have a pen or pencil, and they will have their thinking caps on ready to learn. Number 3, I will raise my hand to speak. This is very important for our class because many students do not know how to raise their hand to say something. We also do not get a lot of people's opinions based on how much conversation is going on without anyone raising their hand or speaking in a single file fashion. Number 4, I will treat others with the same respect I want to be treated. This includes not being disrespectful to students or not bullying other students. This is not the way we would like to be treated. We would like to be treated nicely and with care, just like others want to be treated. Number 5, it ties along well with number 4, but number 5 is I will react without anger. Many of us react right away with anger because we believe it is the right thing to do when we are in a tough situation or something that we don't like. This is actually the wrong thing to do. We want to act with compassion and we want to be sorrow about things or respectful. And last but not least is number 6. I understand that fair does not always mean equal. We will talk much further on this subject later on in the week. Now that we just went over every single rule on the classroom guidelines and the classroom behavior expectations, please sign your name at the bottom as neatly as possible because Ms. Fredericks and I will be laminating them and posting them on the wall so students can see every single time they walk into the classroom that they signed this contract. Once again, I want to repeat that learning is for everyone. Thank you for completing the rules on the classroom guidelines and the behavior expectations. Now that you have signed the contract, please pass them forward and I will come around to collect them. Thank you Anthony Sanchez.